So, good morning, everyone. So, our topic for today will be all about the measures of relative position. So, this is just the continuation topic for the central tendency and measures of dispersion. So, for the relative position, as you can see in the title, is all about the position. So, it will locate the position of the given data set that is asked in the problem. So, for the relative position, we have three: quartile, decile, and percentile. So when we say quartile, it divides the data set into 4 equal divisions. Decile divides the data set into 10 equal divisions, while the percentile divides the data set into 100 equal divisions. So, kana siya. Again, pag quartile, 4 equal division, decile, 10 equal division, percentile, 100 equal division. So it shows here the illustration of a normal distribution, like from lowest score to highest. So if we put a line here, it automatically the middle point or the median. So if we put a line for our quartile, automatic, the middle value for quartile will be the Q sub 2. And then for the decile, the middle value for the decile is the D sub 5. And for the percentile, the middle value for the percentile is the P sub 50. So we have here a formula for finding the location of the median. So as you can see, this formula is also discussed while used during the measure of central tendency, the median. So we have here location. Median is just equals to n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of data. So next we have the formulas. So we have three formulas: quartile, decile, and percentile. So this formula is in finding the position or location of the data that is asked in the problem. So for the quartile, we have here location. Quartile sub I is just equals to I and plus 1 divided by 4. Location for decile sub j is just equals to j times n plus 1 divided by 10. Location for percentile sub k is just equals to k times n plus 1 divided by 100. So the I, j, and k here is the katong gipangita na location sa problem. Like what is as or what location is we're going to find in the data set. So si I and j and k is again ang katong gipangita na location sa data set. So ilang ka naman tayo example in the next slide. So remember that for the quartile, we will divide it by 4, decile divided by 10, percentile divided by 100. And then same lang sila og numerator. Ang denominator lang. So if ever naman, kung mag-solve ta og location, or in finding the location, and then atong result is decimal, so we're going to find the value. Now, value when location has decimal. So, kung ato ang location is decimal, pangitaon na to yahang value. So, we have a formula for value. So, value is just equals to LV plus D times HV minus LV. Where LV is the lower value, HV is the higher value, and the D is the decimal value in the position. So, bali, ang kaning decimal value in the position is ang katong result na decimal sa itong pagpangita sa location. See, for example, consider the dataset 4, 12, 7, 5, 1, 0, 3, 4, and 9. So, naatay, pila na ka-data? 9 ka-data. So, in the side, it shows the descending order of the data. Dapo pa doon sa gaman. So, in the problem or example, find the first quartile, the 5th decile, and the 78th percentile. So, kana, tulo ang ipangita. Ang first, 5th, and 78th. So, una ta sa quartile. So, na siya, automatic na ni siya naka-solution. So, solving for Q sub 1. So, for our, in the formula, is ang I is katong location na gipangita. So, diri sa to ang problem, ang atong I will be the 1. So, solving for QY is location. Q sub 1 is equals to 1 times n plus 1 divided by 4. So, again, si 1 is mo na siya ang location na data. So, proceed tayo sa process. 1. So, n here will be 9 because our data set or number of the data set is 9. So, 1 times 9 plus 1 divided by 4. So, 9 plus 1 is 10 times 1 is equals to 10. So, 10 divided 4 is 2.5. So, as you can see, the result for this location is decimal. So, this location is between second and third. So, kung decimal man siya, ato pang isolve ang iyahang value. Pangitaon pa nato iyahang value. So, 2.5. So, next, ayan. Nara diri ang second or third na siya diri between si 2.5. So, at kung decimal again and again, is atong isolve iyahang value. So, we have here, value is just equals to LV plus D times HV minus LV. So, atong lower value, mag-base sa lower value katong sa duha. Lower value is 1 plus D. Again, D is the decimal in the position. So, kung unsay decimal nato diri, mao po nato ibutang sa D. So, atong decimal and the solution is 0.5. So, 0.5 atong ibutang. And then, the higher value, so nakita nyo 3. Nganong 3 man ma'am? Kaya ang gibasihan ra is kanina ging duha na nakadesimal sa ato ang location. So, higher value is 3. So, 3. Again, lower value 1. So, 3 minus 1. So, natay 1 plus 0.5 times 3 minus 1. So, atong una minus ang naasulot sa parentheses because of the pentas. So, 3 minus 1 is just equals to 2. And then, multiply tayo na to. 0.5 times 2 is just equals to 1. I-calculate na lang ninyo. So, 1 plus 2 is just equals to 2. So, our Q sub 1 is equals to 2. Mana siya yung first quartile. Mana siya ang first quartile. Mana siya bali yung final answer. Wala man siya diri sa data set, pero ato man siyang gi-solve using the value. So, mana na siya tong final answer for first quartile. So, our first quartile will be 2. Next, fifth decile. So, for the fifth decile, ano siya, D5, D sub 5 because of fifth man ang ipangita. So, location D sub 5 is just equals to 5 times n plus 1 divided by 10. Again, decile is divided by 10. So, n again, or n is 9 because it has 9 data. So, 5 times 9 plus 1 divided by 10. So, first na to i-add ang nasa sulod sa parentheses. 9 plus 1 is just equals to 10. Automatic na siya. So, 10 times 5 is equals to 50. So, 50 divided by 10 is just equals to 5. So, the location of D sub 5 is 5. So, ang atong result for decile is not decimal. So, automatic, this will be your final answer that your fifth decile is 5. Yun. So, atong fifth decile, pagtawag na to ang D sub 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 4 ato ang fifth decile. Muna siya bala to ang answer. So, kung maglibog mo ang sa kilid, is start siya sa ubos sa pag-count. Start siya kay bali ascending order gyapon nagamay padulong sa dako atong pag-count sa data. So again, our fifth decile will be 4. Automatic na siya kana din ang answer kay dili man siya decimal. Next, we have now the 78 percentile na po. So for the formula, again, ang kalahian na gid nila is ng denominator na 100. So we're going to use the formula location P times P sub 78 is just equals to 78 times n plus 1 divided by 100. So, atong n again and again is 9. So, 78 times n plus 1 divided by 100. So, una na to i-add during nasa parentheses. So, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 times 78 which is equals to 780. So, 780 ato na po na siyang i-divide into 100 which is result into 7.8. So, ang location is between 7 and 8. So, meaning, decimal man siya, so ato na pong isolve ang iyahang value. So, the value, same na siya na formula, pero lahat lang yung number. So, value is just equals to LV plus D times HV minus LV. So, again, our lower value will be the 7 plus decimal Ang nakadecimal 3 is a 0.8. So, plus 0.8 times higher value, 9 minus 7. So, 7 plus 0.8 times 9 minus 7. So, ato ning i-minus on na 9 minus 7 is just equals to 2. And then times 9, 0.8 times 2 is just equals to 1.16. Then, i-add din nato 1.16 plus 7 is equals to 8.16. So, meaning, our 78th percentile will be 8.6. So, bali mo na siya yung final answer. Ano lang siya? Ano na siya inyong final answer. So, kung matingnan mo, ang sa dasal ay dasal lagi, sa dasal is kung the whole number yung answer is muna din yung final answer. Okay, again, nanagin siya sa formula daan, if decimal ganito ang answer, ato pa yung makita ng value, kaya para mapangita po na ito yung gi-ask na position, ano na problem. Ano siya. So, again, our first quartile will be 2, fifth decile is 4, 78th decile is 8.6. So, that is the solution for our problem. Sige. If you have questions, just ask in our group chat. So, another topic here is just about the quartile. So, quartiles, again, quartiles values of the variables are divided into quarters for equal parts. So, they are called Q sub 1, Q sub 2, Q3. Bali, Q1, Q2, Q3. So, for the Q1 is the lower quartile. So, at most, 25% of the data is smaller than Q sub 1. Bali pa, ubos na siya. Kaya diba, upat man siya. So, quartile is 25. It divides the lower half of the data set. Sige lang, ka naman siya illustration din. Q sub 2 is the median. The median divides the data set in half. So, 50% of the data values fall below the median and 50% fall above. And then, for the Q3 or the upper quartile, at most 25% larger, the of data is larger than Q sub 3. So, it divides the upper half of the data set in the half. So, bali, ang kanina ano ni siya itong median. And then, kanina naman is Q sub 1. Katong lower bali niya na data and Q sub 3 is the higher data. So, example, Q sub 1, find the Q1, median, and Q3. So, kani ato ang data to ang gamiton. So, automatic, ang median na isang katong naa sa tunga. So, nara ang formula. So, ato gyapon i-arrange ang data set into this ascending order. Gamay padulong sa dako. So, follow lang ni siya na formula, dali lang ni siya. Nakala ko siya i-kuan kayo, 15 minutes lang time. So, find the median. Kanilang inyong i-follow katong formula gaina na n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the number of data. So, n plus 1 divided by 2. So, 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So, automatic, our median is the fifth number. So, kita may fifth number. So, kani siya si 50. And then, next naman, for the quartile 2, ato lang i-consider is ang katong lower half. So, kung kani atong median, atong i-consider as lower half is kani sila. And the higher half is this one. So, for the quartile 2 or first quartile, ato lang i-add 9 plus 12. Kana siya. Kaning naa sa tunga. Okay, now, find the median of these four numbers. So, after na to siya ma-identify yung lower half, ato pakita niya ang median. So, atong i-add ang median nila to ha. So, 9 plus 12 is equals to 21 divided by 2, 10.5. So, iyahang first quartile or Q1 is 10.5. And same na po yung buhaton for the Q3 or the third quartile or the upper half. So, ito i-consider na data is katong upper half, which is dili nasa. So, i-add na po nato iyahang middle or median, 19 plus 20 is just equals to 39 divided by 2, 19.5. So, atong third quartile is 19.5. So, that's all. Thank you.